is Olympic medal the pinnacle of a shooter's career? Is it still that in India? Or in your case, is it about consistency?
Mostly in my case, it's happiness. I really like to shoot and I can barely live without it. So it's in my case, I really want to just keep shooting. For as long as my heart says to shoot, I will keep shooting. No matter if I get an Olympic medal, obviously that is my goal to get the Olympic medal as well. But it's not like that life doesn't end. Life goes on and on and on and on. But your priority, anyone's priority should be happiness, because it's only one life that we get. And in उस एक लाइफ में भी अगर हम किसी एक चीज के पीछे इतना पड़े रहेंगे, so we will eliminate the happiness out of our life. So my basic thing that the element is happiness. The happiness, yeah. But every athlete definitely wants to, win the medal for the country, and so do I. But I make sure to be happy.
This young age to be fighting criticism, unfair criticism, is not something that you must go through. But yet you had to. Talk to me about that process. How hard was it?
So the criticism is always harsh, and everyone knows it. You know it. I know it. But I think there were a lot of supporters also. So I felt really, really welcomed and really, really comforting when so many people supported me and did not, just go like, ये क्यों नहीं किया, ऐसे कैसे नहीं हुआ, मतलब you let us down and all. So they were supportive, they were encouraging me. And because obviously people know that I am very young, I was 19 years old then, I'm 20 now. So it's not just that I was young or anything, but specifically I really wanted to do something. I wanted to, I don't know, I just wanted to do something very badly. And in that thing, I started overthinking and all, and I just further spoiled it only. So the main thing was that I am into Olympics. I have won in this category for like, in every competitions I had gold medals for the past 3 years. And then this is the opportunity, just grab it and all. So in order to achieve something for the nation, for the people, for my people, I completely, I was pressurized. I was mentally very taken. And so that was really bad and I shouldn't have done that.